Now here we will discuss about those adverbs which form by adding ly to an adjective. Now class, there are many adjectives which, although you know that adjectives are the modifiers of noun, they describe noun. So there are many describing words which we use in at describing action as well. But what we have to do, we have to put ly on it. Suppose here we have a list of describing words, describing noun, that means the list of adjectives in above, and below we have a list of words which describe action, that means adverb. And here we just add ly to adjective and make it adverb. And that is, for slow we have slowly, for beautiful we have beautifully, for quiet we have quietly, for easy we have easily, and for specific we have specifically. Now you have to know that there are not only adverbs which ends with ly, it can be ends with other words as well, and they are called irregular adverbs. And now there are few adjectives also end with ly words, and they are not adverb because they are not going to describe any action, and they include costly, mainly, deadly, friendly, lively, timely. They all are adjective, although they ends in ly, but they are not adverbs. Now here are the example of superlative comparative degrees. Just like adjective, in adjective we do have degrees to compare or we call it comparative degrees. And in adverb we also have degrees of comparative and superlative. So here comes few example. For quiet we have quietly, and if we want to compare two adverbs, we have to compare two actions, we would say less quietly than. And for superlative degree we have the most quietly. Now here careful, for adverb we have carefully. If we have to compare it, we use more carefully than. And superlative degree is the least carefully. Now we have happily, for happily we have happily, comparative degree is more happily than, and superlative degree is the most happily. Now here are few examples. I speak English more fluently now than last year. Here the speaker is comparing his current situation, its current speech to last year. So here we use more frequently than. Now the second example is, she visited one of the most quietly beautiful places on earth. Now she's talking about the most quietly. She's talking about the superlative form of the adverb. So here she used the most quietly. Now he drives less carefully than his brother. Again here there is comparison, so we use less carefully than. Now here are few other adverbs which do not end with ly words. For hard we have hard, it will remain same. For fast we have fast. For early we have early. And for comparative degree we have harder than, faster than, earlier than, the hardest, the fastest, the earliest. And here are the example. He worked harder than ever before. Here it's comparison. Now the earliest we could arrive there is 7:30. Now we have he came earlier than always. Again comparative degree. Now you have to tell to yourself that which one here it's adjective and which one is adverb. We have both the words are similar in both the sentences, and you have to identify which word is indicating adverb, or which word is performing an adverb and which word is performing adjective. So I'll catch the early train, and the second word is I woke up early this morning. So keep remember this thing, when we have quality before noun, it means we are using adjective. So in the first sentence we have this is the adjective because it comes before the noun. Train is noun and early come before noun, that means it is adjective because adjectives are the modifiers of noun. Now in second sentence, I woke up early this morning. Early comes before woke up, and woke up is action, it's a verb, and adverb are basically their main purpose is to describe verb. So the second early is an adverb. Now here we have some irregular adverbs, and they are for good we have well, adjective is good and adverb is well. For bad we have badly. For far we have far. So here are their comparative and superlative degree. Well, for well we have better than, for bad we have worse than, for far we have further or farther than, and for now superlative degrees are the best, the worst, and furthest and farthest. And here are the example. He walked farther than me. Our team played worst of all. She can dance much better than she has.